So yeah, so basically, how are you feeling? Any expectations?
Okay, I would say how am I feeling? It's bro. I wanna lie, I'm happy, Gucci. So now we are now going back to literally 2019. We've been wanting to do this content thing. Ungenze. Yabo sesiqala ngasebenza sigcina singayipostanga into. Bese sashayiding iningi ngaso sikhathi share my skits and stuff. Yeah, but now I'm happy because we're literally doing it and ngikholwa ukuthi soba consistent. Yeah, and you know, I wanted to say with see as a group sing up my expectations amakhulu kakhulu. Episode yokuqala ngenzeka ibukwe umndeni wethu kuphela yabo sangaba noma views on 19, but hopefully njengoba I saw that dash we want to grow the audience and yeah see say le podcast ye kude bro kude need to reach amanye heights.
Yeah, that is offense. But that's emotional kakhulu offense.
No,
offense.
Emotional. First, I think emotional. But I need to come with our hopes, you know, of what we want to happen.
Yes. But offense, me na a feeling from me. Offense, very excited and I'm also scared at the same time because we out here trying with the podcast and long like TikTok. Ever since in terms of the podcast and on my phone search izinto sinani sithenga izinto yazi yonke mfethu into evelayo yabo nje mangascrolla ka3 ku TikTok kwami podcast nalabo benza podcast manje
ifaka uvalo
yes ifaka uvalo and when you see fethu equipment yabo abantu like bakuma studio serious yabo but bakuma studio serious kodwa uthi uyayilalela content yabo okunye yes khona but into yabo clean yingi yabo awonlayo abantu abaningi abenza abasha ama podcast manje very clean videos very clean videos abantu ba create kuya nge-content the content ayifani
sure
and i-channel ngibuza ukuthi mfethu ngishaya podcast yathi na okay with ama podcast amangaka izohluka ngayo
What is going to make it easy?
Ezowenza ukuthi thina share ama podcast amangaka siyolalela wona. And I was like, fuck yes, maningi. Kodwa ke kanje sifuna
and also pendula lo mbuzo lo thina bethu I'm very glad ukuthi kuhlangana le group le yethu. I know ukuthi mhlawumbe singakayicabanga noma singayikhuluma lento singayidiscuss, but mina immediately mo atomtshela ukuthi le podcast lesoyiqala izohlanganisa mina wena athol immediately ngivele ngabona ukuthi okay la abantu abahlukahlukene and we come from different backgrounds. Mina ngiphuma emakhaya
inja yase-Hillcrest wena waselokishini yes
wakhulele elokishini but like also qhamuka nama-ideas angafani and ngokukhula vele already sesishapheke ngendlela engafani, but I know ukuthi sonke like sine common goal and siyazwana, which is good.
ngiyakuzwa mfethu and yazi awunaba mfethu uthena singabi nama expectations amakhulu kakhulu because this is our first episode. This is our first episode kodwa ngokwami mfethu we have to be the best podcast at least in Durban.
No,
at least my friend at least
podcast edumela leThekwini
iyodwa okay awuthi iyodwa khona sengwabonile amaningi akhona sengwabona amaningi oqala nje eyalobhuti le engamtext Instagram that guy ngamush but ngiyafuna umush yena unama followers cause vele usewumuntu odumile but awonlawo mawubuka i-podcast it's pap it's pap kodwa ke ayikabi and yena uyawaletha ama-celebrity, yes, uyawaletha ama-guest, and ngayibuka futhi i-channel yakhe, ngayibuka i-podcast yakhe, because I was hoping ukuthi mhlawumbe uzokwazi ukusebenza naye. And
what gap?
No, also akangigabhanga, wangighosta. Sakhuluma emva lokho wangighosta. Yabo? But again, it's fine. It's his loss. Yes. And okay, I'm full to call my podcast again, but I want to see the podcast, buga, and the comments. Umchita kaplani bro. Umchita kaplani, but unama resources. Kodwa ke asikho lapho. Bengifisa ukuthi ngisebenze naye ngiqondo manje. Bengifisa ukusebenza naye futhi ngigcwele ngaye. Kodwa futhi ekungizibeni kwakhe akukho wrong, but umchito waziwayo and utext abantu abaningi. Yeah, utext abantu abaningi and abantu abaningi bese befuna usizo. Nama was one of those people who ufuna usizo. Akukho wrong ukuthi he might be busy somewhere, ngenza suke Jozi, yayibona, ngenza ukhohliwe ukuthi lapho ngaye ngamtext, yayibona. So we're not there. Yeah. One day uzongibona.
Mina enye into I'd say most important with your point when we should have my expectations. None of them come out and there was no views and everything. Mina ngingathi bafethu, let's not try. I know very good we're not, but let's not keep our heads and minds into that.
Yeah, of course.
I feel like.
But we have to be the best in Durban.
Yeah, but that starts in mastering craft here.
Yes.
So the time we master our craft, the craft here is a cool man. Yeah. So we won't get our views and followers we don't deserve.
Exactly. Yeah. When I report, can say that. So just consistently.
Yeah. And the quality of umsebenzi.
Ngazi lo msebenzi, ngazi lo mbuzo lo mhlawumbe uzonibora. I'd say uzonibora. But who would you like as our first guest?
Just realistically?
Yeah, realistically.
Yeah.
Ungasho kodwa ukuthi abantu ngababanda abanzima kakhulu will get there someday.
Maybe also David Goggins, you know.
Sometimes I
but in sense of being realistic, no, let me think, dog, ubami de engathanda ukuthi ngihlangane naye or just have a conversation with.
Ukhumbule ukuthi it's fine.
No, boss.
It's like saying ungathanda ukuthi invite mhlawumbe uJulius Malema when i-content yethu icishe ingafani yakhe, yabona. It wouldn't make sense ukuthi silethe a politician lana ekubeni sonke lana. I don't think ukhona olandela ipolitiki. Umuntu oyaziyo.
I do.
I
would call it like
yeah. Kodwa promote uyena umuntu omthandayo wethu.
No. I'm not interested in politics. But for me, I can't think of someone at the top of my head right now. But it gets the first one. I'd say like labaculi bamaskandi laba like bathi yeah. Not ukuthi mhlambe ngiyabu-idealize anything, yabo. I just
pick their brain.
I'm funny now.
Serious, no, ngifisa ukwazi la manje acabanga kanjani. Like, have you seen drama yabo? Like, this is why yonke lonto ekhanda, like, yabo. And labo bantu they can get bangaba or not enemies, but ingxabano zabo over i-telephone
zibankulu, serious.
So ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi izifike leso stage ikhanda lakho soyithini, like
kodwa yazi leyo nto ibike into nade ngifuna ukukhuluma ngazo namhlanje, yabo. Ekhuluma last week ekhathi sisondaga se-Durban Port for enjoy Durban July, then wangakwazi ukuhamba for your reasons. Yazi silapha
ngihambe indlela zobumnyama.
Unamanga ade bambekile. Almost uyazodwa misanje sikushiye kodwa nathi asifuni ukuhamba nawe. Ngizobekutshela why sasifuna ukuhamba nawe. Yazi siyafika lapha sahamba sagcina siphelele Empire. Abo Empire ku-packed, clear packed, yes. Kodwa okay, ku-packed and ayikho nendlela yokuhamba. Yes. So
this is Durban July weekend.
Yeah,
Okay.
Durban July weekend. So okay. Ngifuna ngizobeka isixoxo story. Sambe masifika khona sidinga itafula lokuhlala. Maybe itafula elingaka you have to share it with another group of people ongabazi. Yes. Already thina siba 10.
Ha.
Cabanga. Yes.
Okay.
Already thina siba 10. Sashare itafula. Ngihle ngasekugcineni kunendlela yodwa yokudlula la kume umjida ohamba nalaba eshaya nabo itafula la. Yeah,
Sure.
So each and every time soke siyadlula siyabuya it's either uyakodansa nabadansayo or uyothenga yabo lokho ngiyahlola oh kahle into ufuna ukusho ukuthi eKZN ubona ukuthi ingxabano engaka yabo ingxabano eGoli in terms of kwabaculi zikhona but azikho njengala eThekwini yabo la eThekwini ufika kwi Real Housewives of Durban khona ingxabano maskandi khona ingxabano hip hop la khona ingxabano ebheda
awona ndiyade ngifuna ukisho yangicaso lento okuxabana kwaSimamane no Black
and siyabona
amafanele
Inhlanganiso yini angazi.
angiyazi kodwa ngifuna
angazi babe bangani kodwa yangicaso yani because I was really hoping ukuthi uSimamane bazo collaborate uyena Blackie no STC njengamajita aseThekwini amakhulu manje yeah kodwa it was very unfortunate ukuthi vele babeefa nje suka right
abazwana
yeah I don't know abazwana noma bakhulumi yini but I believe they're not on speaking terms they're not on speaking terms so ngiyeke ukuqedela le dedication noma sengisabala so shade afana labo love yabo lokho siyadlula so masihleli I think ingxabano yaqala lapho so masihlala labo love bahamba namachethi thina asabi namachethi siyabula soda sishaya khona iHennis lana khona ama hotel lana khona no beer lana saphinde salanda ihappy sihleli kamnandi sigrand nabo bahleli lapha bayishayela ubeer nama side amachethi on ihappy but ngokwami ihappy bayilanda ngenxa and futhi ngiyabonga ukuthi wawungekho wena noThabo ngiyabonga ukuthi nani ningekho then shop amaHennis ethu sihlele neHennis ethu sigrand ayibona lento imotel sihle nje la iplug ikhona igcwele all over bashaya ubeer lapha siphinde silandi happy yabo baba namachethi masengitshela lo ukuthi bafunda amachethi lawo alaphana kuhlala ngona amachethi agcwele Empire yonke shela namachethi bengingazi abolo umsizi bayashela but hey bayashela abamazi umsizi walapho yabo so lo mjida lokho ngidlula ke thena emva kwalokho sisadecide ukushintsha itafula sihlaphe sako 12 kanje shintsha itafula khona itafula esel-empty sambe sohlala kulona sema ngidlula ke lo mjida avesana afuna ukudla zemfethu kade wena udlula lana udlula la kumina udlula kabuhlungu uyangiduzula othi ngiyamgudluza or whatever uyangidluza mafuna ukudlula la kumina sithini isitho sakho nawe nami isitho sakho nawe ngihlangana nabo nawe mina ngihlangana nawe but mase ngisheshe ngiyabona ukuthi okay ufuna ukudla and sengiyayibona izinto ezibangela ingxabano bese ngisabe ngiyaxolisa yabo ngisathi bafuna ngiyaxolisa kube iphuzu futhi ukuxolisa kwami sarcastic yabona ukuxolisa ukuthi bafuna ukuxolisa uxolisa kakhulu naye wazi wabona ukuthi ukuthi I'm being sarcastic wakhala lapho khala intwana ecabanga wandile wakhona wandile wakhala wandile ngathi usuxolisa ukuthi ameke yabona ngaxolisa so going back to the esikhuluma ngayo bese abantu yabona it's emotional bro and usemile lapha uyabona ukuthi le ngxabano eqalayo and yena ufuna ukula and I don't know be there ngifuna ukula le fight ever since there are fights let's Scott back it was super so I'm nje ma challenge it xolisa nje qala and just forget about it sure
ubhekele then fethu wabasa umjidi ubusuku bonke
Yeah.
and uyambona fethu umuntu ukuthi ke ilento engifuna ukuthi la eThekwini uyambona lo muntu ukuthi lo muntu ufuna ukulwa manje yes lo muntu fethu ufuna ukulwa manje kumele ikhale manje and sinale inkinga samazulu online
Okusho ingavela dodisa nasifuna usithini
No, it's fine.
umuntu bengabusane
Asithola.
adodisa vela wona kuthiwa nje walo mhlawumbe nje wayeseredu vela thatha
Spam, angibulala.
But
kanjalo just like that
So guys,
yeah
anything engirealize in the verse, so izoba indala kancane bahlinzeyisho, right?
okay
Leyo show na ukuthi like all over wena amazulu isimoke ukuthi uthamaZulu. Yeah, very very ayikhona futhi ukudlala because even within the girls yabo amathekeni like leave the fact that ukuthi vele amathekeni abazwani abantu but mase amaZulu it's even worse yabo but la ngiyakhona bafo is amaZulu futhi let me not say amaZulu let me say amajita especially from KZN they have a tendency yokuthatha kancane I don't know if this happens outside mhlawumbe KZN
but that's a Zulu thing but
yeah. So ukuthi anginasho because I'm not a Tswana. I've never seen.
To be honest,
I believe it's amazulu
okay. To be honest, some Zulu, yes. Some I'll say this for see abantu bebengilwisa I'll take that. Some Zulu bafethu amanye ama-tribes wathatha kancane first of all. And kunamazulu amaningi omunye umuntu angamazi.
Yeah. Very. I think also don't enforce about like not abazali but it's the culture.
It's a cultural thing.
Like when I'm cool mjita wazi ukuthi umZulu wena. Akakho umuntu
What I mean I believe ukuthi into lena bese segazini lethu wathi umbuso khoza Zulus need to be cleansed
yeah
ngoba sinolaka lolu lashaya kodwa ke shiya lo anomlaka nomsiqalekiso yini kodwa mina yazi ngibona ama similarities between amaZulu and Black Americans indlela esibehave ngayo laba bantu laba they always ready to fight
siyafana
sithembile futhi ngeke ngishawule yansizwa
siyagacela futhi don't need
exactly and ukuthi uyabuka omaskandi yadujulwana ku hip hop eAmerica yadujulwana
except
so siyafana ngaleyo ndlela no ngifuna usho lo
mina wanda khona nathi ngisakho
before you say that when was it class I was telling usal lesa story sokuxoxa sona sa uba umelo nomba lo abambulala lo owayebambe
umlo you got shot in
komkhaza
Fethu umlo dog. Fethu umjitha fethu. Yeah, ngithi uthi he was an influencer.
Bro, why are you cheesing talking about this?
Fethu why ngabe influencer uthi angimazi ngichaza kanjani. But fethu
promise man
one of those Instagram niggas dog yabo shy straight nani.
Sure.
Wadutshula fethu yabo ngeke ngisasho ukuthi wadutshula
uyamazi
umuntu bosh
uyamazi
bayamazi futhi abantu balekeze niyamazi especially amajele amazi yabo umdubula fethu mina ngestory ngisaziyo ama sources ami according to iThekwini yayikhona lapha
okay
was that umjita who shot alleged
shot the bro who allegedly shot the bro
okay we yabo iskitsa
okay
not skitsa but iskibelo
and then you got no there's a full force
no
kiwa
and pushing type of
ngitshelile nje
so umlona ke uza influence abantu on Instagram all the baddies know him yada yabo so according to the sources that I know according to umuntu wayekhona lapha athi I might be wrong angazi angayisho but according to umuntu othiwa ekhona umjitsi ehlala namachiri suspect right suspect ehlala namachiri drinking nice everything's nice and then obviously umlo angazi noma wayekhona or wayefika but amachiri ahleni out showed love to the nigga right because obviously
showed love to the Instagram group
okay and then I don't know how but this is like inside
okay
right I don't know how it escalated from La Pork But I know it got to a point where angazi noma kwakusekhanjwa, but I know like everybody was kind of outside. Like majority of the people who were outside. So, and this was when like the video was taken. Like everyone was outside. So apparently, like was a mandate to what he suspect to what he it was idea is option in love. Out it not in front of everyone. Like you was weird not in front of everyone. So don't deliver to Mjita. I think now we say push reply, and like we say clean reply, and we ask one suppose the first so what to this we score, we say push reply and everything else we happen what's pela gave us a phone who is in front of a match here because it's kind of degrading. I'm going to do the for himself, like for Muta Yen, rest in peace to him though. So it ended up being shot.
Okay, so how did it get to? How did it get to him? How did it get to suspects? It was afternoon to vote or promising to shoot.
That's why I get here. I don't know how it escalated from Leo Point.
Must have been a pan.
Yeah, but it was outside.
Did he try to maybe buy with the hands, no ma?
Angazi, love.
I
or something like that. Say Kumi Bam reach. Like when that video got posted, I started to do it out there.
Reach heaven.
But any dollar, where I was going, bro, we didn't that engage. The much it took such a man with the point that to Kulumangayo. As Kuluma from Isating experience. All over, but Tatana and Angazi was in that. Especially
what's more.
That's what I'm calling, especially
all of us.
That's why win.
That's why was in now. When I first all of us in my car, I don't know. It was more important, but whenever just can't be you are less than a man or something. Rather, I mean, there have been multiple incidences where first born with a winner, or even if you come to the kukhona umuntu ofuna ukushaya mhlambe movement mhlambe ufuna ukubamba inkunzi mhlambe I'm going to be the first target or suspect yakhe yabo
wena because umpofu
imini because impofu but
Ntole anzima machi
kunzima bro
na umpofu nje
kunzima bro kunzima ukuthi abomfethu umpofu Oliver baselokishini kuthiwa uyibhotel uyidanona Oliver basemakhaya too hayi uzoshaya ucheese boy yabo ndele kanti bethu machita amandlo nawo futhi nami nginawo Oliver thathana kancane dog especially yabo KZN futhi ugcina ushaya abantu bethu isidingo
ngekho mfethu singekho abona nje futhi mase Chris mangakela le fight ezala samba nosakho sasingeke isidingo bro. Yes, sasingekho but so ikhuluma ngelanga mfethu isikhathi siyabo mfethu ngicine ungaphendulanga bro
uzifuna ba I mean ezela alright oqala bethu oqala ngizoshaya abantu abawu2 ngoba omunye
noma washaya
omunye
uzochaza uswayi mfowethu
omunye ngizofika ngisho umuntu esingamthola ngokwazi ngokubona ngathi unenhliziyo enhle and like ngekafika bese ngisho umuntu okunzima ukumreach kodwa ngifuna usicela oqala engifisa ukuthi sibe naye the first guest Dog Deben.
Bani?
Udog.
I'd
love to sit down nalamhla ngikhulume naye mfethu. Ngimbuze, ngimbuze ukwenzalani ngalamhla lo promoter lo dance
Michael Jackson.
Yeah, ngimbuze ukuthi like how did he rise to being I'm going to say how he rise to fame, to being an influencer promoter. Like because long time I can promote ngiyaziyo mina eSouth Africa yonke eplan nalo mjip promoter wise inkinga uba udume njengayo
ayothi mina ngizokutshela nawuzotshela into eyinkinga mfethu khona mfethu into mfethu engahlangani yabona uma balalo mshila lo wayepromoter uDog uMichael Jackson lo muntu singamfanisa noSkomota abaseGoli yabo it's like okay it's like umgilane uyafana noSkomota waseJozi.
Nah, bro.
Bayafana wenzani umgilane
abantu mina kodwa nani bansirious uMichael Jackson lo bhaka lo udansa
guys ngithi ngifuna ukwazi ukwenza la phela kodwa like my point was ngifuna ukukhuluma noDog ukuthi ngoba he's the I feel like we're not doing kakhulu eSouth Africa yonke and no promoter awu ukuthi promoter abantu promoter like cloud promoter club promoter ubizo DJ lapha bethu unenumber ya play coffee la mjini waphiwa bethu coffee emnika sa la 50,000 kanje
ima wesa khona into athi ngizomuchazwa ngayizo if lo Michael Jackson wayeke Jozi ngabe ayikho indaba yakhe manje abasazi ngaye manje
hayi ngabe udansa
I mean I'm not saying
ngabe udansa
uDog bethu wayefuna ukumanager lo mjita lo hayi ukuthi hayi ayengeve sebenzisa okay ngenza sebenzisa icloud yakhe noma ukupromote kodwa that's not promoting
uDog
akubona umsebenzi wakhe lo wayewenza wayefuna ukumanager nje njengomjita yabona ukuthi engakude mina but most of them umuza ukuthi kwaphela nje ngayi phela yeah but like my point is uDog Durban might be the or if not the biggest promoter in South Africa.
No, I'd say
no.
Okay,
no.
I mean
South Africa is crazy.
Who's bigger than him?
No, calling for so long. But I know what it like I'm Ujogo is a promoter or a manager.
Is a manager. No, we manager. We manage. Who manage uThukzini?
I know I'm going to
manage uThukzini.
Yeah, I mean I must go uThukzini, bro. Like I don't want to lie to you.
Man, just pass one.
We manage him.
Manager.
Confirm that.
So that's it.
Okay.
So
okay.
So
when they manage, okay.
Like
just we promote.
No, he's a manager, bro. Every time
okay, now that's different.
Yeah.
That's different. Go phela khona my manager my sister say good there manje njengale Tyler Uncle Waffles they literally took them from
him. But we manage. Yazi ke khona umjita wala eThekwini waka Ndengezi ekuthiwa uMafutha azimanye amazini ngizokuthetha uMafutha ufike nomfana kaGogo kumfana gogo indaba ayisekho
no Penny Ntuli
waphasha naye
Pasha lo mjita
awusephashile manje uyena ade pusha lesi case akandengezi
njani
uyena ade pusha lesi case akandengezi ngoba lesi case
ubobo
yes omunye umuntu omele umkhathaze noSkomota ke lo but akafikanga ke lapho
kulula kodwa moseGoli back to that kulula moseGoli ngoba bamfaka ngisho nabo Moja Love
buka la listen cut off also this girl le yaqole shy number with Chris Brown but
she's gone.
How many songs has she made? As you are.
We keep her every month. Go check.
Mina bese can ngiyazi bro ile yenza no sisi.
Unengoma noma welele lo muntu yezo aphinde abe
Major League.
aphinde abe nengoma ne-Major League,
Yes.
aphinde abe
aphiwe
awunalethi
mina
wena ungamlaleli usehambile bro.
and ziyaduma
Benza konke ingoma nobaba.
I just know.
No, thanks.
Like, I've
Ngiyayilalela
never listened.
ingoma
the fact that
zakhe.
you know kodwa kusho ukuthi
Yeah, yeah.
should say she's
Yeah,
doing
bro.
something.
Yeah, she is doing something.
Shout out.
That I do know. Ngibona ama music videos
Shout out to her.
Nginenkinga kodwa nonalethi eyodwa.
Right.
Fana.
It's like you like
No.
Don't.
Itengisho unalethi no anginayo lenkinga yakhe ukuthi kwenzani ku TikTok she's just being a kid. Yes, unalethi is a kid.
But don't brave what?
Yeah, she's a brave kid. Yeah. Yabo. And into I feel like uyayisho as a normal person. Yakhombisa ukuthi lo muntu kahle kahle u social media wakhe akekho umuntu ocontrolayo. Uyena and above all into ayisho unalethi wena kumele ukhumbule ukuthi uyingane. Yabo, uyingane and she's enjoying celebrity life at the moment.
But it's I'm shy because once you put yourself in front of your audience, asinandaba ukuthi uyingane umdala. What you say,
because goes to something jealous ukuthi wathena kanendaba nalogogo baka ladies house.
Washo njani? Awadawa.
I'm like, damn, bro. Ufuna isibindi kodwa lento. Ladies house
Uyadawa. Kodwa bathi she's just being a kid.
Kodwa bethu yema bro, bengifuna uyazi ukuthi context ayikho ngoba ngazi ukuthi wakuthini kuze
side game.
Wakuthini kuze kufika la sekuthenini khona kumele asifuse indaba yabo. Because I feel like ladies house namanje ukukhansela abantu.
Yeah, they can.
Kodwa mhlawumbe bahluleka unalady.
No, they can.
Because she's still popping.
Ladies house inkulu. Ngifuna ukuya nayo lento ade ngikhala. Ladies house inkulu and abantu besifazane bale South Africa they can cancel uma befuna ukucancel. Kodwa bahluleka no cheap but they can. They actually can.
Gina ke mfana
Bahluleka. Kodwa ngifuna ukuya kunaledi. I feel it's going to be one of those people la ukuthi khona after 15 years kuthiwa wadlala abantu.
Yeah.
What? Yeah. Because longevity.
Uyibona.
No, in terms of imali angakayiboni because unalethi mhlawumbe unengoma la ko6 hit songs. Yes, hit songs. Kodwa awakayiboni imali.
No, but let's give her a chance. Let's give her a chance.
Usefikile bro. Unalethi uselapha.
I think Unalethi is superstar.
Yeah, we superstar vele manje.
She's rich. She's
Okay.
She's not a superstar.
What?
Don't boast.
Ubani
Superstar. Who is a female superstar in South Africa? Jane Ramage.
Female superstar.
Yeah. Ungababalo DJ now.
Okay.
Superstar.
Okay.
Yeah. No, who's bigger than Unalethi Manje?
Okay.
Who's a bigger female than Unalethi Manje? Who's still here?
Lead above.
Kulumali ba.
It's superstar for me, dog. Men need to be superstar. You need to be fucking extraordinary. Yeah, well.
Yeah,
so
I
feel like in South Africa right now, I don't think we have a superstar.
We do.
No.
We do.
I mean, I feel. Okay, Iman, wait for me.
Yeah, we have superstars.
I mean, in South Africa, I don't think we have a superstar as of now. Umuntu who's really in the spotlight like that is Ukofi, who is really really in the spotlight.
No,
wait for me, please. So for me,
like South Africa, I don't think
Ukofi is a global superstar.
I don't think Ukofi would fill up the FNB Stadium.
I did fine.
Okay, wait.
Black Coffee.
No, we'll get back to that.
Ukofi global superstar. Any global superstar can fill up the.
Ngiyakuzwa coma ngengoma ezotheza Black Coffee. Thula.
Deep in the bottom, that's all about you drive.
Drive all night, yes. Yeah. It's sad.
That's all about Elias and not Drakey.
18.
Bro, we should end the ones and not Drakey.
It's
Passionate.
Okay, come on.
Passion fruits are passionate.
Passion fruits. And yeah, guys, I'm passion fruits.
Sa.
Bro?
Yeah.
Passion fruits.
I told him,
Good to cool. You know,
yes for.
oh, but look off me, ngiyazazi ingoma zakhe kodwa ngeke ngikwazi ukubalela
Mfethu ziningi, mfethu
Ziningi.
yabona nje honestly never mind that Drake uBlack Coffee mfethu was a producer in that album.
nengane yakhe nomfana wakhe
No,
usona
but
usona
Kodwa
ikhomba superstar Kofi musu wazibonela ukuthi ini
Man,
umuntu olelo abelungu mfethu
anifuni ngizwe.
Yeah.
Mina angithi mina
Oh.
uma ngami. Mina angathola ngithi.
Uthini ayathola?
Mina ngokwami mfethu. eSouth Africa we've got very dope artists abaqembu mfethu and who have all the potential. But in terms of being a superstar, I feel like you can't say you're a superstar if you're not global. Like Messi wouldn't be considered a superstar if Benazir if Argentina played or in Spain played they wouldn't say he was a superstar.
so you have to be global to be superstar.
That's what I
So
think.
Kabza is a
I
superstar.
got realistic on that show.
No blind Gabs. I don't think he's a superstar as yet. He has the potential.
Okay,
to
so
get
the
there.
South Africa's now a superstar.
What's
I
called?
mean, perfect. Musano English. I feel like that's what I believe in.
No,
Okay.
About being a superstar, it's doing what like fucking Chris Brown did. What feel Alana, what Daisa Mati's, they sold out in 2 hours. What pin the footy, he did it the next day. What Hamburg in Brazil, where you sell out.
Yeah.
I feel like that's a level of a superstar.
Okay, fair look on superstars. And I believe with superstar, fair will be umuntu ose umuntu someone who's popping, no more relevant nationwide. So to be a global superstar, bese ke uba bese wazi umhlaba wonke. But what ufila kanjani ngoCasper? uCasper akayona superstar.
Buffett, go show something. It's been 2 hours of it,
Bro.
and I imagine we agenda. It's been 2 hours.
I mean, that's so diverse on there. That's natural.
It hasn't been 2 hours.
No, but guys,
As guy started the conversation.
Asikayiqedi almost ungayibhali manje ngithi mina bethi uCasper akasiyona yini i-superstar.
No.
Unesisiya kayona superstar.
Iman Buffett.
No, Nasty is dope.
What's up?
Not as yet.
Mina benza okay
Not
based
yet.
on your standards akayona.
Yeah.
But I believe ukuthi uyiyona uNasty but
What
Nasty
makes-
Nasty superstar.
What makes him a
South
superstar?
Africa. South Africa. Nasty superstar.
and South Africa.
Nasty.
Nasty
Oh,
C.
I never-
The gold.
Maybe he was.
We're talking about
No,
Nasty
no,
C,
no,
the
no, maybe
gold.
he was.
Yeah.
Buffett. Nasty man.
No, I don't think he.
Man.
He's not a global. Ngeke shows Chinese.
Also, when
global
it-
superstar.
when-
He is a superstar.
In South Africa.
He's the gold, bro.
Okay.
Nasty.
Nasty scene.
Nasty has a potential ukuthi uma umfeaturishile ayishintshe impilo yakho ngengoma eyodwa. The child, bad. That's true, bro.
Imbuza was that by Ichere superstar. Maybe one Imbuza, right? I mean, I'd say right now the most consistent Ichere corner has been Umaho, and Umaho is better than Unaledi in terms of consistency. Maybe not in terms of singing or.
Okay.
There was fight so
Guys.
No, but they're in the same industry. Let's go. So I'd say we are someone who's been more consistent in terms of ownership. But in terms of being a superstar, it's time to Kakameli.
No, superstar wena umuntu odumile umhlaba wonke njengoTyler.
No,
Tyler is a superstar.
I don't believe.
Hayi ke should asana.
I don't believe. Yes.
Name me 5 songs besides Water. 3 actually. Or 3 superstar now.
He never know any
No, but for
She's big. uTyler is big in the world, bro.
with one song,
What
Water.
one song?
So
she started.
Yes,
Hey,
When
I'm
I
fancy
go
going
I don't know that song.
and bese kuba iwater.
Okay, fuck. What was one line?
But like she's a superstar though. What headline up indawo eningi.
Okay, compare her to
Nah,
someone
sorry.
who you consider a superstar. Compare to fucking SZA.
Usiza sebe industry for
I
a
don't
longer
give,
period
I don't
of
give
time
a shit.
than
I
Tyler.
stand as good as
No.
You tell when I'm a
She's big.
superstar.
Buffett.
She's a superstar, dog. uTyler la fika khona fethu uyaziwa, bro.
Buffett. Okay.
Yeah,
That's really good topic. That's really topic.
Okay,
So
before okay, before ngisho ukuthi uba wesibili. Let's see.
Ubekuba oqala senkhohliwe, ubekuba oqala.
Dog.
Okay.
Guys, let's not disrespect to SDC, man.
No, ngiyazi ukuthi you're a fan. Ngiyazi you're a fan.
He's the GOAT.
Uyamthanda like
South Africa.
so that.
Alright,
For me-
OSB umjida. ngizosela umjini umuntu wesibili engifisa ukuthi eze la as a guest. This is ambitious kodwa I believe ukuthi mangase sim approach kahle noma abone potential thina engafika.
Uba.
Okay, kusanazi ukuthi ngiyagagamela.
Uba.
Kodwa singamthola uSolphenduka.
Sawahlala ba. Fuck yazinike.
Solphenduka.
Solphenduka.
Singamthola
Ngeke bro. Ngeke. La umuntu mfethu ubhizi.
So kodwa uSol akaze interview akaze awahambela amanye ama podcast.
No, seke wathi Facebook.
Oh really?
Yeah, waya na ku la season ku Pantanos awkward dates.
Oh okay. So but I feel like mangasithole la mjita mfethu.
But
Have a meaningful conversation.
now, kakhulukazi nawe. Yeah. Hey bro, kodwa
Well,
yeah.
angifuni kube ngazusilana we glazing i-podcast and chill and
No,
but like
So you don't fully guys solvent.
number one, Amsaga has been at the bottom.
Yeah.
Bottom. I don't know, how did it feel? Ungawazi provide for your family. And how does it feel, man? And like almost utole abantu, because obviously Velematu, when a host, radio host, and then ubasuka better. Now sephindele phezulu. So how does it feel ukuya phezulu besubuyela phansi and seeing abantu big share. And then when you rise back at the top, like do you keep that anger where no nje uyabaxolela bese uyabakhatha off?
Yabona manje umusho leyo nto bathi bezongivethela.
What you like?
Ngicabangisa because baningi bethi abantu who have done the same thing. Ama ghost dog in the likes of Steve Harvey, the likes of Donald Trump, people who've been bankrupt more than once in billions out, but still made it. I went to Donald Trump.
Donald Trump talk about bankrupt
Twice. The second time when Uti he had negative 900 million. Uti imagine starting life with negative 900 million. Like Trump when 40.
Fuck, you busy say.
No, I respect that man, bro. I Trump.
You respect him business wise, no man.
Yeah, everything, dog. Mentally, I mean, I know, but they hate him, dog. But if we buka a movement, that time, like, Trump has been a president in the United States, right?
Twice.
President after Puma wakhe walandelwa inkinga engaka. Njobe sebuyile manje, how many shit had to happen ukuthi aphinde abuye abo president? He even got close to being assassinated. Why did not fall at ngeke?
But I think that was an act.
Okay, but so I'm going to assume yonke into was real. Yeah, for the fact that uthi some million manje through everything that has happened, abantu bemzonda, and he still made it back to being a president, and he still says whatever he wants to say. And Nina anhlangane nalutho, what he says goes. Nina, you can say, oh, but Trump this, but Trump that, but it's then his word goes.
He's a dictator, he's a fucking
bro.
liar.
When are you worried about?
Nah, bro. Nah. I mean, I don't like him.
Okay,
was yonke into. Well, while in actual fact he knows nothing about what he's doing. Ulamuntu is clueless. Yena wazi ukuthi fanele siye kuphi kodwa ama details about what he's doing he doesn't know. Akazi ukuthi ama-tariffs asebenza kanjani. He doesn't know shit. He doesn't know shit about South Africa, but he managed to make claims about Uti there's a white genocide.
From saying there's white genocide. I thought saying there's white genocide in South Africa and ulandela sonke lesa story, he didn't know shit in this story. Bengazifa khona but and first it engiphatha kabi uRamaphosa uyaya lapha and first uyamlalela lo muntu uyamuzwa ukuthi lo muntu mfethu uzokukhiphela ithombe engeke uzokuvezela ithombe and ngaso Ramaphosa wayemsaba wathula
umncengile kodwa angobe incenge uTrump kodwa incenge iAmerica uncenge ukukhweba neAmerica.
No, Trump is bigger than Ramaphosa. Let's not.
Yeah.
He's bigger than Ramaphosa.
Bafethu,
compare Ramaphosa to Trump.
He's softy. What do you mean he's bigger than Ramaphosa?
Okay.
Trump runs the biggest economy in the world.
Which makes it bigger.
But he's not smarter than Ramaphosa.
I don't agree with you, sir.
He's not smarter than
I
Ramaphosa.
object.
I don't like Ramaphosa. Okay, I don't want to talk about the state of the country.
Relax.
I don't like Ramaphosa. Listen, I feel like Ramaphosa
It's weak.
is
Weak.
our president. I respect him.
Weak.
I respect
he's
the
weak.
president of South Africa.
But
Kodwa
he's weak.
against Trump,
Weak.
Wakumport, he had to
He had to
be calm. Yabo?
But he had to.
He had to act ngale ndlela ngoba jobs were on the line.
Well, no.
Hundreds of jobs. Hundreds of thousands of jobs were on the line.
which
And
proves-
he felt like he was
which
talking.
proves-
No. He was talking to a baby.
No, I'm America.
No.
Utrump was
No, I was wrong in this. I don't like Ramaphosa. I love our president. I just don't like what the ANC is doing or how they're
Back to
moving.
the topic, Bafethu. Bafethu, once again, the first episode, we just all over. Score Trump, manje. The first guest. Sorry, let's first guest.
Okay.
Yeah. For me, no, Bafethu. First guest, Bafethu. And one is about right for the podcast. And ngifuna kube yona first guest, and I'll try to kube yona. Owen Zitha. Yes. Owen Zitha. I feel like Owen Zitha, it's what you were talking about, Trump.
Trump,
Like, I thought Trump abantu abamfuni, but he managed to abe la ekhona. Owen Zitha fethu yazi is now on 1 million followers on TikTok. Kodwa fethu the comments fethu abantu ababrutally. Yeah, he hates. It's too much. Kodwa he's always happy and uhlezi fethu ngathini ready for the next day.
That's a must send along the
Bro.
It takes balls to do that.
Yazi fethu ade anganoma nabona ade poste hydraulics cabanga last week or this week, no, last weekend poste hydraulics eshaya slipper se hydraulics nomunye umchitha amazi nomchitha uposte hydraulics waposta ku Instagram story wathena, buy the real stuff, don't be like small boys. Kusho hydraulics. Why show something along the lines of buy the real stuff, don't be like, don't be a small boy. Imag.
Ureferenza Owen noma
Uyasho nje.
noma basho again. That would be crazy.
Seveza la.
No, but the brand hating umje.
Cabanga fethu. Imag komplisa lento.
Mhlawumbe
record.
Advertiser.
Mhlawumbe nje babe-advertise ngaye.
Hydraulics.
Where?
Owens it.
Nah.
See, 7 months ago. I think you'll find it through Google YouTube.
Okay. Again, angilokanga in TikTok lapha. So ngikhombisa yona lento la.
It's okay. Come so you fire.
Yeah, so far.
We put it somewhere here.
Yeah, but hey, nah, okay. Owen.
Where response?
Ngaduma wagcina imani ngifuna connector la kwi khona ngizwayo ukuthi
That sound.
idlala sound. That's all sabo. Yabo? Small alerts.
Spotted in fake hydraulics, don't be a small boy.
Bona babefaka ukuthi exposed.
Also,
Or
hydraulics.
Now, exposed.
What's one?
Spotted in fake hydraulics. Don't be a small boy. Shop the real deal using the above link. Abang, bro.
Exposed.
That's wild.
Abang.
Actually, see, he hates
You're wrong with the end of it.
Kodwa manje ish. Mina kusho ama makers of products ukuthi ushaye bomb. Mina wenzani? Mina kusho abenzi be products ukuthi ushaye bomb.
No, mina ngokwami.
Ofana benza njani?
Ngokwami I feel like hydraulics was wrong ngalento ayenza. If
Nah, bro. I like Owen, but
As a brand.
what do you mean ukuthi ubabe wrong? When the counterfeit products, go counterfeit into it. Just limaza la.
You're not wrong. Yeah, I couldn't say it.
Yeah.
I mean,
okay, yeah.
it's crazy because Owen, he's trying to be a brand. He's trying
He's
to
already a brand. 1 million followers on
yeah,
TikTok.
yeah.
He's
So
a brand, bro.
he is a brand of
He's a
some
brand,
sort.
bro.
So it's only good for another brand to protect themselves because they
But-
can only win business.
Win business.
No.
That's what it is, alright?
Buffett. I got no symptoms. I got me. Owen wayeshaye iskipper se hydraulics. Mina ngokwami angazi noma ibhomi or it was original. Yes. But
I'm a maker.
yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Mina ngokwami I feel like
What's uhydraulics waqala ubona umuntu ogqoka ibhomi.
Yeah.
Waqala ubona umuntu ogqoka ibhomi lapho.
Kodwa
Yes.
okay.
So wonke umuntu enombonayo uzompost. Bampostile Owen because bayazi ukuthi Owen uyibrand unama followers. Ebona
Okay. Mina here's what I think kufanele bayenze ka hydraulics. Afanele bambize because vele unama followers. Bambize bese benza izikipa ezangempela.
Hey right.
Bese lethi ibe brand ambassador ngoba shuthi uyayithanda i-product yethu.
Yeah. Kodwa lento abayenza i-wrong, wrong.
Kuse yaba wrong kodwa it wasn't cool.
Uyabakhulumela.
No, not necessarily. I like Owen bro mina because I like that positive kakhulu.
I don't think it's
Kodwa
maybe
I
they
feel
could
like
have
indlela abenza
a
ngayo. Yes.
Yeah, well, not
Kumele basi-approach ngenye indlela
not
leyo.
in front of people.
Not like that.
Hayi kulungile
If
bafethu.
kuyiqiniso
Kodwa wona Owen ngiyafisezela.
Yeah, Owen mase omunye sinamthola, ngibonile la sinamthola. I ngenxa sihlaphe ngamdelete sinamthola but yeah, i-position akuyona manje empilweni yakhe currently, yes we can find him.
Ishuthini lonto.
Umaqondo lo ecuthi namhlanje angibuye endlini.
Position akuyona injani. I-right noma
Hayi bethe imshayile bethe umculo bro. Ngangela echaza
ngela sezayo.
ngangela echaza isitori sakhe. No, I would I'm hating on him but ngiyasho ukuthi
Oh, okay.
wasichaza sakhe bethu ukuthi emculweni bethu bamshaye kabili bro. Eshaya bethu abantu esithule nabo. Waphinde futhi wabaxola waphinde wayosebenza nabo. Baphinde bamshaya futhi. Worst part ke ilento ade ngisho going back to the bro I think ngithiwa ngale ngangithethe ngifuna ukwenza i-podcast yakhe.
Waxoshwa naye.
Umjidi uyasho umaqondo ukuthi bangishayile. Ngaphinde ngabuya ngasebenza ngazi noma nomunye wabo noma nani. Kodwa wasebenza nomunye wabo. Wamshaya futhi. Still umjidi usafuna ukuyosebenza nabo futhi. It's like
should basebenza.
Kodwa athole umshaya ka2 nakwesizwe safuna ukuyosebenza nawe ngithi ayangikuzondi ngisahebe.
Yazi noma nje quality for me one time shame on you. But serious.
Uyena because mina ngifuna uba realistic. Yeah, uyena sinamthola omunye engingathanda sabe khona would be between Leon or Skip Price.
Skits. No Leon ngiyamthanda kodwa ngithanda uskits owamanje.
Asimcele mfethu Skip.
Skits, if you're watching this bro, please. Pay a fine.
Asinayo imali uyabona asinayo imali.
Sinayimali, bro.
That's
Kodwa-
not my, but yeah, it would be nice to have skits.
Ngizwe bese wakandengezi futhi nawe wakholela kandengezi.
No, ngazi umuntu ya nginami ngane onenumber yakhe.
No, but I'm saying ukuthi
No, sister,
Yes,
no,
yes,
number
me. Yes.
But anyways,
About
guys,
no
we're going on a short break. We'll be back just now.
About no cook.
So, we're coming.
About no cook bese. Sure.
I know.
That's many things I feel like you should do to going on a short break because now I'm feeling
We're going on a short
Ah,
break.
Ah, it's so late. Vele ngiphambi kwakho.
Going on a short break.
Ubuqinisile samele siphinde enye ebusuku. Engafana ngeke wafethe podcast wafana ngeke.
Mr.
Eh? So stuck here. Wafethe ashayina ucheck